To make this delicious shrimp scampi, you're gonna need 3 pounds of jumbo shrimp, cleaned, peeled, and deveined, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinaigrette, 1 lemon, seasoning, salt, pepper, fresh parsley, and then you're gonna need some Parmesan cheese. So to prepare your ingredients, you go ahead and chop your 1 onion. Next, you're gonna cut your fresh parsley. Remember, everything used in this video is already pre-washed and clean, okay? So now you're gonna use your garlic press and crush 4 garlic cloves, and then you're gonna set it aside. Then step 2, to prepare the lemon vinaigrette sauce. You're gonna squeeze the juice from 1 lemon, put it in a small bowl. Then to the lemon juice, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinaigrette. So you're going to mix it together and then you're going to set it aside. So this is what I'm going to use instead of alcohol. So in this video, I'm not using alcohol for this shrimp scampi, okay? So in a pot, you're going to go in with 1 tablespoon of butter. You're going to let it heat up. After melting, add 1 chopped onion. You're gonna let the onion saute for like 1 minute. Then to the onions, you're gonna add pepper, seasoning, and salt. And then you're gonna gently stir and allow everything saute. So now you're gonna go ahead and add the shrimp to the pot, making sure every shrimp is touching the bottom of the pan. Okay, this is very important. Do not stack the shrimp on top of each other. Each shrimp should be resting directly on the pan. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and add your crushed garlic on top of the shrimp. Then when the side of the shrimp touching the pan turns pink, flip the shrimp to the other side and allow the other side to turn pink as well. Remember, the total cooking time for shrimp should not exceed 2 minutes. Cook one side for 1 minute, flip it, and cook the other side for another 1 minute. This prevents the shrimp from becoming overcooked and rubbery. So after turning the shrimp, what you're gonna do now, you're gonna go ahead and add your sauce. Remember the lemon vinaigrette sauce you made? You're gonna go ahead and add that sauce to the shrimp. And then you're gonna give it a very gentle stir. After which you're gonna go ahead and add 1 more tablespoon of butter. So lastly, you're going to add the chopped parsley, and then you're going to allow the shrimp cook for just a few seconds, and then this shrimp scampi is ready. Very easy and very simple to make. So just in case, make sure your total cooking time from the time you saute the onion to adding the parsley, make sure your total cooking time does not exceed 3 minutes. Okay, so now you remove the shrimp from the heat, and then you're going to enjoy this. You can enjoy this with some Italian ciabatta bread, some French baguette, or you can enjoy this with some spaghetti pasta. And that's it, guys. A delicious shrimp scampi recipe ready in under 10 minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, subscribe to the Food Ninja, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.